Hey everybody, Sean Gavin with RHG Tucker. Just wanted to take a couple minutes today and tell you about the Rival and the S4 water carts from Tucker. Now we get a lot of questions as to what are the differences between these two carts. Both for 2021 have been upgraded in a sense. The Rival cart now will come with a standard single clear housing. The S4 has the dual clear housings. Okay, so on your inlet pre-filtration side of things with these two carts, the difference between the two is going to be on the S4 you've got a sediment as well as a carbon, and on the Rival you simply have a carbon. Now when it comes to the S4, another thing to keep in mind in terms of differentiation between the S4 and the Rival is the filtration technology. So this carbon filter is simply for catching chlorine in your water, okay? So that's a standard carbon filter. Most any cart on the market is going to come with that filter. On this system here, you've got a chloramine and carbon filter. Now, what does that mean? In the water supply, you need to capture both chlorine and chloramines if you want to be sure you're protecting your RO membrane. Now, the technology in that carbon filter that can do both things is extremely expensive compared to this one. So the price points are very different, and that's why on this cart, which we're aiming to hit a price point with, we put the standard carbon filter in, and on the S4, which price was less of an issue for us, and we wanted to build the best possible mobile 40-inch RO system on the market, we have not only a better carbon filter, but we have the dual housings that have a sediment and a carbon. Now we've gone to the clear housings so that you can see visually when these filters might need replaced. So no more guessing, trying to open up the white housings and see what is going on. You can clearly see, and there is a wrench provided in either scenario that allows you to open these up, remove your filters, and replace them quite easily. They're both mounted to the same black powder-coated lightweight steel frames. On the Rival, we have pneumatic air tires. I would expect probably a season or so out of these, and then you would look to replace them in terms of the tire and wheel itself. Again, these are a lot less expensive than the wheels and tires that are on the S4. This is a no-flat, heavy-duty plastic wheel that you can experience many years of service out of under normal use. From there, we go out of the sediment and carbon pre-filters into the 40-inch RO membranes. Now, on the Rival, we are utilizing a stainless steel housing, and on the S4, we've gone to a custom-made for us black fiberglass housing. Now, the fiberglass housing carries a lifetime warranty. The stainless housing has a 1-year warranty. Now, if you've ever had a housing fail on you, you know that that's a very big issue in the field. You've got to get another one in the pipeline from FedEx from us, or from wherever you want to source that from. But these have a lifetime warranty. We stand behind the fiberglass housing technology. It's a very good technology. Inside, the difference between these two carts, again, filtration technology and budget technology in a sense, right? So we have a membrane that is designed to work optimally at 100 PSI. In the Rival cart, that is very comparable to just about any other cart on the market from competitors. And in the S4, we have a membrane that is exclusive to us that operates at more like 60 PSI. So the difference between these two, if you take them both to the same job site, this system is going to give you far less water at your brush than this unit will here. You will get almost twice as much volume out of your brush with this unit on the same job site than this one here. So membrane technology differentiation, membrane housing differentiation, and then we move into our DI. On both systems, you're going to have the lightweight 4.5 by 10 inch DI filters. This is virgin DI resin in either scenario. So this is the part of these systems where there is really no benefit with the S4 versus the Rival. You're going to get the same high quality virgin Tucker DI resin in both scenarios. Now, other things that are different in terms of the fit and finish between these two products. We're utilizing standard plastic push fit fittings on the rival cart. Again, these are less expensive, keeps the cost down for us and the end user. And on the S4, we have these metal fittings that are much higher quality and have a much longer service life. On the S4, you will have a built-in pressure gauge, so you can see what pressure your system is operating at. That is left off of the rival cart. Additionally, on the rival cart, you have a bypass waste valve that is essentially held into place with some zip ties on the frame here, and you have the same bypass valve on the S4, but it has its own powder coated metal bracket that holds it in place. So just a bit of a difference between the fit and finish between these. One other differentiation that you'll notice is in the packaging, this cart, if you open the box on the S4, out of the box, filters are installed, you're ready to go. On the rival, the filters are not pre-installed. You'll essentially have to do the final assembly. Again, that's less cost for us in terms of assembly, so it keeps the cost of the rival down. In the kit, you will get a 50-foot length of 3/8 hose with this system, the S4, that is left out of the rival kit. So there's a few things here and there that keep the cost of the rival down compared to the S4, but certainly great options for anyone who is looking to get into residential window cleaning, solar panel cleaning, commercial window cleaning. The difference in performance between these two is going to be, I would stick around the idea of a single operator with the rival cart working up to about 30 feet. So residential. The S4, you will be able to do far more than that. I would say 40, 45 feet on average water pressure. Again, because of the increased flow through the dual pre-filters as well as the better membrane technology. So those are most of the key differences between these two systems here. I wanted to take some time and introduce you to the upgraded Tucker carts and point out some of the differences for 2021. Thank you so much for your time and your business. More details on these carts can be found at www.tuckerusa.com. Thank you.